Hey everybody, so we're looking now at what makes good leaders. And there's different theories about what makes a good leader because let's face it, all leaders are different to an extent. So the first one we're going to look at is trait theory of leadership. And the whole idea behind trait theory of leadership is that good leaders all have or all share similar traits. Traits are just kind of personality points of aspects of your personality. Okay, so what are these sorts of traits then? Well, they could be things like they have the ability to solve problems in a creative way. So rather than just giving the solution that everybody else gives, they seem to, we call it out of the box thinking, don't we, or sky blue thinking, or some other ridiculous management talk thinking. But anyway, also that they have great communication skills. Think Martin Luther King, I have a dream today, and lots of other leaders with great communication skills. They tend to be able to communicate with lots of people because they have many interests, they have enthusiasm, they have confidence. All these things really help in their communication abilities and their ability to lead. They have self-discipline, which is respected by their followers. They are emotionally stable, so they're not seen to be, they seem to be always in control, and they're positive and sincere. Okay, all these sorts of traits that we kind of naturally think are good leaders. So, what's the problems with this? And the problem is, real life shows it not to be true. Okay, in real life, not all leaders share these same aspects at all, and that different situations tends to throw up different leaders. Okay, which is a different theory, as we'll see later. Another problem with it is the list is big, and to be honest, I could keep on adding to it. So the list is really big, and are there people who have all of these traits? What if you're missing one of the traits? Are you still a good leader? That sort of thing. And does it apply to both genders as well, or should different genders have different traits? It's not really clear. Okay, but again, don't go crazy on learning these. Just learn the general idea and then apply it to the scenario.